Hi dear watchers, it's me again, but today from the other side of my messy studio. This is video number 4 and it's going to be a speed painting of a little bird on a branch I sketched the other day. I posted on the Amateur Point Facebook page, you can check it out if you want. So this is ink and watercolor. I used paper that is this one. It's Ganson, the brand is Ganson, could be anyone. It's 370 grams, so this is a really cool paper for me. I think it's cold press because the grain is not too thick, it's not too evident, I don't know, and it's really thick paper. Can you hear it? It's really good. It really holds well the water. You can do lots of layers with this and experiment a lot of techniques. One technique I did was for the background. It's you do a wash with watercolor and then you spread a little salt. I use 2 types of salt. I use thin salt or table salt and another salt with a larger grain. I don't know if you call it cooking salt, whatnot, but the difference is the grain, the size of the grain. Table salt has really thin grain. Cooking salt, it's a little bigger. So I did the technique. The background became a little more interesting with that. So here it is, and I hope you enjoy it. tell me what you think of it. If this, I've been doing speed paintings because a lot of people, which is not my case, but a lot of people don't have the time or patience to see all the little steps and the mistakes, and I don't know. I personally love to see them. Sometimes I don't have the time, so I like speed paintings too. If you want to see a real-time painting, please let me know on the comments below, and I will probably do one or two or two and see your feedback. So till next time, you know it is rock on. You know the drill.